Some mornings start at the transom, swim step down, coffee still warm, and the whole 90 ocean pointed at the horizon, built in Poole, England, since 1969. Sunseeker drew this one wider through the beam and pulled the foredeck forward, so there's more deck to actually live on. You're up on plane before the moorings are behind you. Twin diesels, more speed in reserve than most days call for, and enough range to keep going past the last marina on the chart. Swim platform drops. Beach club opens over the transom. Jet ski tender 2 SeaBobs already staged and ready. Grills built into the beach club, so lunch happens right where you dropped anchor. Flybridge stretches out a quarter bigger than most, room enough for the whole group, and an infinity spa if you want it. Hardtop retracts full width, shade on command. 2 SeaBobs stay racked and ready for the next cove. Below, 4 cabins wait for the nights you don't want to leave. But the 90 Ocean isn't a boat you admire at the dock. It's the one you're already on by 8, transom down, coffee going cold, pointed at somewhere better. This is a new build opportunity direct from Sunseeker. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.